Hi, my name is Dean Jones, and I wanted to share with you today one of my favorite tools in graphic design, and that is the Adobe Color Wheel. If you go to color.adobe.com/create/color-wheel, you'll get this page, and it will show you a color wheel, which you can click on and make it bigger or smaller. The red or the white arrow is the base color, and you can see the base colors right here. So if I move the base color around, it will change the base color down here. But you can also change the base color appropriately at the bottom with just clicking on the arrows, and it will change that as the base color. And you see right there, that's the base color. But if you move this, the base color stays the same, but all the colors around it change based on this color rule. So this slide down menu will show you the analogous colors, the monochromatic colors, triad colors, the complementary colors, compound colors, and the shades of that base color. You can change the base color again right there, or however you see fit. There's also sliders down here that you can change the color based on the degrees that you need to do. Instead of doing it in the color wheel, which you can do it a little bit more precise down here, or you can be even exact precise by changing the hexadecimal number or the RGB number. The great thing about this is you can save these color palettes for your Adobe products like Photoshop or Illustrator. So, and that will go into the My Themes, which I have some basic ones here that I've used in the past. But it's a great tool whenever you're trying to put together a color pattern and a color scheme for all of your design needs. I highly recommend using it. Have a great day.